There will be no electronics, at least where I work. As I throw back to the days of Cronkite and Murrow, or heck, even a young Wills or Cavaris. I'm trying to understand why everyone from lawyers to pharmacists, to millennials and even young girls,
I'm gonna start writing.
are tossing decades of technology out the window for this. We'll start this story here.
You got people that just use typewriters that have been my customers for 30, 40 years.
At McDavid Typewriters Service on Plymouth Street in Murray Hill, where Bill Pridgeon has been repairing typewriters since years before Apple rolled out its first computer.
In the age of computers, why are they still using typewriters?
There's certain things that you can't type on a computer, like forms and things of this sort.
Pridgeon tells me the news that vintage typewriter sales are booming is true. In fact, if you get on that internet thingy and type in some of those www addresses, you'll find multiple websites of people interested in vintage typewriters. Many times it's millennials, but also there's huge interest with people even younger.
Especially young girls.
Pridgeon sells typewriters, and they're not hard to find online. Just do a search. They're out there. But repairing them can be hard because a lot of parts don't even exist anymore. However, Pridgeon has enough leftovers to salvage parts and fix most anything. And all these issues hit close to home, literally, because I recently bought a typewriter.
Do you even know how to use it?
Yes, I know how to use it.
You do?
Yes, I've been here with it for like, I don't know, some months.
My 9-year-old daughter, Alex, was begging me for a typewriter. She fancies herself a young author.
No, I love this thing because I like to write stories and stuff.
So we finally tracked down this old Remington.
Do you know how to, if you make a mistake, do a erase?
Well, it can't really do that.
In the young people I talked to, they had no idea how to work around mistakes on a typewriter, but a lot of older users did. In fact, I needed Pridgeon, who usually has ink on his fingers, to show me how to replace the ink tape,
You just have to wind it.
which he said wasn't made anymore for my model.
They're heavy. I didn't remember how heavy they are.
No, yeah, their things weigh a ton.
But it's not just the Johnson homestead where little typists enter a world without spell check. I talked to one of Pridgeon's customers via some computer doohickey called Skype.
Well, I knew when I grew up I wanted to be an editor, and I've seen it in tons of old type of movies.
Matt Aldrich and his 12-year-old daughter Gabby live in Tallahassee. He recently bought his daughter a typewriter after years of asking.
Yeah, we're pretty savvy as far as tech goes, so that's what kind of caught me kind of odd. You want a manual typewriter? Do you realize what that means?
And while the little typists are surprising, there are still some holdovers from the days of pencil sharpeners and adding machines.
See there? Got the bell.
Gilbert Wise runs Wise Prescription in Ortega. He still regularly goes old school and mocks his younger counterparts who struggle with reliance on electricity.
Those out there of you who are so computer oriented, when the computer goes down or when you have a glitch, you just quit working. So the whole business stops. I don't. I can keep on going.
It's just like the other one.
He's one of many who have walked into McDavid looking for a new ribbon or key replacement as Pridgeon staves off retirement.
A lot of them have to just wind the ribbons on them.
Because some people just won't retire the machines he knows so well.
Typewriter's still the Cadillac of typing machines.
It's the Cadillac of typing machines.
That's it.
Yeah. You can't beat a Cadillac.
No, that's right.